Hello student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School, morning shift. Dear student, I am going to take your I.C.T class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is M.C.Q question, that means multiple choice question from chapter 2. In previous class, you know that we have already provided you M.C.Q question from chapter 1. So today I will provide you M.C.Q question from chapter 2. So student, let's get started our class. Topic multiple choice question, chapter 2. 1. Which is the working sequence of a laptop computer? A. Input, memory, output, processor. B. Memory, input, output, processor. C. Input, memory, processor, output, and D. Input, processor, memory, output. Which one is correct? So student, number C, input, memory, processor and output, it will be correct answer. And how many, number 2, how many main parts are there in a computer? A 4, B 3, C 5 and D 2. Student, we know that there are 4 main parts in a computer and they are input, memory, processor and output. So it will be correct answer, number A. 3 number, what is hardware? Different parts of computer. B program, C operating system, D Windows. Student, we know hardware, that means different parts of a computer. And number 4, which one is an output device? Webcam. Sorry, which one is an output input device? Webcam. B monitor. C printer. D sound box. So here webcam is an input device. Number 5, what is the full form of OMR? Optical mark registration. B optical mark record. C optical mark reader. D optinal mark reader. So student, here is given optinal, not optical. So correct answer will be optical mark reader. Which one is a temporary memory? ROM, RAM, hard disk, CD. We know RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. And 7, what is the full form of RAM? Random access memory, random aspect memory, ransom access memory, and D random access memory. So we know RAM, its full form is random access memory. A will be correct answer. Number 8, the board which holds and protects all the parts of the computer is known as what? The boards which holds and protects all the parts of a computer is known as processor, RAM, C motherboard, D hard disk. So motherboard will be correct answer. What number 9, what is the biggest device in the motherboard? A transistor, B fan, C capacitor, D processor. We know processor is the biggest device in the motherboard. Number 10, what is plotter? Large camera. B large multimedia projector. C smart board. D machine to print big pictures. We know plotter is the machine to print big pictures. And 11, where can we store the information in the computer? A input, B output, C memory and D processor. Where can we store the information in the computer? You know, memory is the part where we can store the information in the computer. Number 12, inside the computer there exists number 1 input, that means input device. Number 2 memory. Number 3 processor. Which one is correct? A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3 and D 1, 2 and 3. We know inside the computer there exists input, memory and processor, that means number D. 13, input devices are A joystick, B webcam, C video camera. Which one is correct? A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. We know input devices are joystick, web camera and video game. That means 1, 2 and 3. Number 14. What type of device is a pen drive? Input, output, storage, and D both input and output at the same time. We know pen drive is a storage device. That means number C will be correct answer. Now read the following stimulus and answer the two questions 15 and 16. You have to read this passage and answer the 15 and 16 number question based on this topic. Sagar has downloaded a recently released movie from internet. After a few days, Kamrul transferred the movie from Sagar's computer to his computer. Now you have to answer 15 number question from based on this topic 15 and 16. What is used by Kamrul to transfer the movie from Sagar's computer to his computer? A. RAM, B. hard disk, C. pen drive, C. D. mouse. So here will be D mouse. So you know that pen drive is used to transfer the movie from Sagar's computer to his computer. Now 16. Sagar stores the movie on which place in his computer after downloading it? A. RAM, B. hard disk, C. ROM, and D. flash memory. You know it is hard disk. Now 17. Touch screen is input device. Number 2. Output device. Number 3. Software. Which one is correct? Number A 1 and 3, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 2, D 1 and 3. Which one is correct? We know touch screen is input device and at the same time output device. So input and output 1 and 2. No, number C will be correct answer. Input and output device. Number 18. What is the full form of PC? Personal cost. B. Private computer. C. Personal computer. D. Private cost. So we know PC, that means personal computer. And number 19. Computer software can be divided into how many parts? 2, 3, 4, 5. Number A 2. And 20. Computer's processor takes data from where? Hard disk, memory, keyboard, motherboard. We know computer's processor takes data from where? From memory. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic. You have to practice at home and there is no homework today. Thank you all of you.